Hey guys, today we're in Kincardine with my cousin Shirley and my cousin Lynn, and we're making up this simple, easy, and absolutely delicious crack salad. So Shirley, maybe you can tell us a little bit about it.
I started making this a couple of years ago when I was doing some keto diet. I don't do the keto anymore, but I do still love the crack slaw. And you also might hear it called egg roll in a bowl. Super easy to make, super delicious, and no carbs.
And it's called crack because
you can't get enough of it. You get addicted to it. It just tastes so good.
So let's make up some crack slaw. Okay, the first thing I want to do is make up your sauce. So I'm going to pass this over to Lynn, and Lynn's going to make up the sauce, the crack sauce.
The crack sauce
Lynn.
apparently is what really makes this whole thing. So we're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. I think you can use other sweeteners, Shirley. You can use honey. Anything else that
Honey would be good. Yeah.
Honey would be really good.
You could use maple syrup. You could use, if you want to do your keto stuff, you could use xylitol or monk fruit or whatever you like.
But we're just going with raw sugar because it's simple and it's easy. And then we add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Note the measuring is not exact. And then from there, we add, David, can you take the lid off that for me?
Sure.
2 tablespoons of vinegar. Shirley has chosen brown rice vinegar, but you can use plain or you can use
What's an
apple cider.
An apple cider. Apple cider vinegar is good, yeah.
Yeah.
I love apple cider vinegar.
So we've got all the 2s in. We've divided these into 2s. So after that, we did all the 2 tablespoons to make it easy. We've got everything lined up in a 1 tablespoon zone, and this is sesame oil. That will be.
I can smell that sesame oil.
Can you open that for me, dear?
Sure.
Thank you.
Ginger.
Ginger? Oh, good. You read that label because I didn't.
No, I could smell it.
It's garlic.
Oh, that's funny how ginger smells like garlic.
Yes! Blooper! So we're going to add a tablespoon of this, which will make it nice
ginger,
and garlicky. Of garlic.
Garlic.
Okay. David, do you want to smell the ginger?
Let's see if this smells like ginger. Now that's ginger. The other one was garlic.
Yes, that is ginger. So now we're going to add a tablespoon or more of ginger. Okay.
And just remember, guys, all the ingredients are in the blog anyway, so you don't have to remember all of this.
Yeah. And then, can you open this, please?
Yeah, what the?
A friend of mine makes his own hot sauce. So this is a homemade habanero hot sauce, courtesy of my friend. And we're going to add that. It's absolutely delicious. It's going to be spicy, people. And then over here,
Yeah, I think I can smell it from here.
Oh,
Wow.
it's good though.
It smells good though.
Yeah. And the last thing we're going to add, if I can get it open. Oh, I got it. Is a teaspoon of fish sauce. I don't know how to get this out.
There,
It's
it's
open.
coming.
Yes. Okay, people, just so you know, cooking's not my forte.
Hey, you're doing a good job.
There we go. And then in the end, we will take the mini whisk.
That's cute.
I love my mini whisk. I have all these mini tools and mix it up. And it is done, and we will let it sit and let the other cook.
And that is the sauce. And
How are you doing?
this smells crack like, this smells so good.
Do you want to taste it?
Actually,
Don't you dare! No! Absolutely not. Let me get you a spoon.
Okay, let's give this a taste. That is good. Oh, that heat. Wow. That is hot sauce, but this is good. You got,
It'll be all broken up when
when the actual
actual stuff is in there.
Okay, good. So for the next step, we're going to fry up the ground chicken, and we're going to hand things over to Shirley for this.
Thanks, Dave. So we're going to turn the heat on medium high, and Again, we're just gonna put a little bit of a coating of olive oil on the bottom to help us get started. And then we're gonna use ground chicken. Now you can use ground beef, ground pork. Actually, my favorite is ground pork, but my sister won't eat anything with eyelashes, so we're going with chicken today.
No eyelashes there.
No eyelashes here, so we're just going to less the paper, put the ground chicken in, and off we go. Yeah, so we're gonna cook through the chicken, but we don't want it to be browned. We want it to be cooked, but we're just gonna keep mixing it up here. And once it cooks a little bit more, then we'll be ready to add some more ingredients.
Yeah.
But it is cooked up enough now that we can go ahead and add the onion. And we'll get that onion going. It takes a little bit longer to cook down, so we'll get the onion in there, and we're halfway there. And then you're gonna have some delicious crack slaw.
Yum. This is gonna be good. Right?
It's amazing, I'm telling you. You just wait. You guys, you gotta cook this up because you can't make it just once. It's one of those meals you get addicted to for like 2 months, twice a week, and then maybe you'll move on.
Crack slaw.
Crack slaw. Egg roll in a bowl.
Egg roll in a bowl.
Now that the chicken is pretty much cooked and you can see that the onions have got a good start, we're gonna go ahead and add the next ingredient. Now you can cut up some coleslaw mixtures, some onions, carrots. You can use broccoli, kale, whatever you would like to put in it. Cabbage, of course, is the main ingredient. Or you can just pick up a bag of coleslaw that's already chopped. Just go ahead and dump the whole bag in there, and we're gonna let that cook down a little bit, soften up, and then we'll be ready to put the sauce on.
And I mean, you can pick up a bag for what, $4 or something like that. So
Absolutely.
It's probably worth it. Yeah.
Yeah, saves all the chopping and the mess, that's
Yeah.
for sure. And I can see this has Brussels sprouts and kale and red cabbage.
There's a lot in there. Yeah, wow.
You're right, Dave. It's going to be a tasty dish for sure. So as you can see, it's cooked down quite a bit. The vegetables are softening up.
Man,
And-
that's looking good.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. And we're ready to put the crack sauce on. Lynn's secret ingredients. Well, not so secret, but the fish sauce does give it a nice umami.
So Lynn made the sauce, so we're going to let Lynn put the sauce in
Exactly.
with her mini whisk.
Yes, with my mini whisk. I even have a mini spatula somewhere.
Come on, let's mini whisk that in
Let's
there.
mini whisk that in there just a second.
There we
We
go.
need the spatula to get all the flavor.
Oh, doggies, I can smell that heat.
Yeah, there's a lot of heat in this. You can ramp it up or cool it down, however you choose, but just make sure you like it.
Yeah. Look at this. Look, even that color change, eh?
I wish you could smell it. Oh my gosh, the ginger and the garlic. It smells amazing.
So what would the street value of this be?
Oh, easily. You could, small little bowl about this size, you could get $12 a bowl easily for.
Is that the police at the door? Oh, this is looking good though, guys. Wow.
Oh boy, it
Yeah.
does smell good.
Dave, is this new to you, this one? This recipe?
The cracks.
So we're just
no, I've
gonna
never heard
leave
of it
this
before.
on low for maybe 5-6 more minutes just for the sauce to integrate in with the rest of the ingredients.
Just let that sauce cook in there.
Yeah, and then we'll be good to go.
Yummy. Gonna love this crack slaw. I am.
I'm so cracked up.
All right, enough of the corny humor, but you get the point, guys. You know.
It's good.
Yeah.
Very, very good. You're gonna like it.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, now we're done here, guys. We're just gonna go ahead and put this in a bowl. And I know I keep talking about this, but it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Just look at this. Wow. Okay, now it's time to add the finito finishing touches. So we are going to add some sesame seeds. Life just wouldn't be the same without sesame seeds. And some chopped green onions, just for that fresh pop. And if this is a word, beautification. I guess it is a word. Oh, doesn't this look super, guys? Wow. And there you have it, guys. Our simple, easy, and incredibly delicious cracked slaw. You've got to make this. Okay, guys, it's time for the three amigos here to dig in and taste test this delicious cracked slaw. I'm going to try it with chopsticks, but I'm never very good with chopsticks. I'm going to go to a fork. Okay, dig in, Lynn, Shirley. This looks incredible. I love that sauce. The sauce is absolutely incredible.
It's a little bit sweet, a little bit tangy, and actually, you know,
It's not as spicy as what we thought it was
it's
going to
really
be.
cooking really tempered down the heat.
No, and I love that meatiness to it. That ground chicken is really good. And like Shirley said, it would be super with ground pork, ground beef, anything like that. This is so freaking good, guys. Whoops. The floor likes it too. You gotta make this. Cracked a lot. Gotta make it.
Hey, Dave, you gonna share a little bit of that slaw with us? You know,
Yeah, he's just been shoveling it in as we go
don't
along.
give cracked slaw. You can't
Mine.
get enough of this stuff.
Mine, I'm addicted now.
So good.
So if you enjoyed cooking with Lynn and Shirley, I know I sure have. And if you'd like to see more of these interactive videos, guys, drop us a comment in the comment section below. But it's been fun. Enjoyed my time in Kincardine. So stay tuned. See you next time and more crack salad. Or crack slaw.
Yeah. Maybe
Bye.
you can squeeze in now too, Lynn.
Get out.
There we
Get
go.
out.
Yum.
Stop
yum.
You're right, now that the camera's off, I can't stop eating that.